Let me be honest with you. If your trading account keeps going down, it's probably not the market. It's the small mistakes you don't even realize you're making. I know this because I made every single one of them. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 mistakes that quietly destroy beginner traders. Nothing complicated, just real things that cost me money until I understood them. If you can fix even one of these, your trading will already start to look different. Mistake 1. Trading without a clear plan. This one is very common. You open your chart, you see movement, you feel like it's going up, and you enter. No clear reason, no structure. I used to do this a lot. I would just feel the market. Sometimes it worked, but most times it didn't. The problem is simple. If you don't know why you entered, you won't know when to exit. The result? Confusion, hesitation, and unnecessary losses. Here is a simple fix. Before you enter any trade, ask yourself, why am I entering this trade? If you can't answer that clearly, don't take it. Mistake 2. Overtrading. This one feels like hard work, but it's actually harmful. You take one trade, then another, then another. You're always in the market. I remember days where I took 6 to 7 trades thinking I was being serious, but the truth is, I was just impatient. More trades do not mean more profit. Sometimes the best move is to stay out. Simple fix. Wait for clean setups. Not every moment is a trading opportunity. Let me ask you something. Have you ever taken a trade just because you didn't want to miss out? Be honest with yourself. Mistake 3. Poor risk management. This is where accounts get damaged quickly. You risk too much on one trade. Maybe you're trying to recover a loss, or you just feel very sure about the trade. I've done this before. I increased my lot size thinking, this one must work. It didn't. One bad trade wiped out days of progress. Simple fix. Risk small, always. Protect your account first. Profit comes after consistency. Mistake 4. Trading with emotions. This one is subtle. You lose a trade and suddenly you want to win it back immediately. Or you win and you feel too confident. I've been there. After a loss, I would rush into another trade. Not because it was a good setup, but because I felt pressure. That is how small losses turn into big ones. Simple fix. Pause after every trade. Win or lose, step back, reset your mind, then continue. Mistake 5. Expecting quick money. Let's be real. Most people enter trading thinking it's fast money. Turn small money into something big in a short time. I thought that too. But that mindset creates pressure. You become impatient. You force trades. You take risks you shouldn't take. And that's where the real losses begin. Simple fix. Shift your mindset. Focus on learning, not rushing. Consistency beats speed. Which of these mistakes do you think has affected you the most? Drop it in the comments. I want to see. If you've made these mistakes before, you're not alone. Most of us didn't start right. But the difference is learning and adjusting. You don't need a perfect strategy to improve. Sometimes, you just need to stop doing the wrong things. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and your trading will already begin to change. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and send it to someone who needs to watch it. And if you're serious about improving, join my WhatsApp trading community. The link is in the description. Let's grow step by step.